when the styles. I just want you guys to check out this beautiful short haircut. One thing about the styles is that they are exceptionally well suited for classy women. And one thing I want you guys to know about the styles is that they exude confidence. They offer you that kind of timeless and versatile look that really complements that variety of formal and non-formal occasion. This is another clip from Babiro Diego. He's based in Brazil. I just talked about him in my previous video, and this guy's nose is onion. He's a good guy that has made many Brazilians over there to start going for it. Because one thing with the styles on the screen is that they are easy hairstyles for curly hair. And if you want that kind of simple yet cute, you really need to sit down and watch this video to the end. I want to show you the review. Like you can see the discussion going on the kind of styles you want. And I want you guys to just see the result, like for you to understand what this guy is up to. And this guy, Babiro, is a good guy that really knows the kind of hair that suits women's face shape and the kind of style that will complement their features. So you can take a good look on the style. I just want you to see this, okay? Please, can somebody tell me how you feel about this? One thing I love about the style is those zigzag by the side and the way the hair is cut so clean and the low cut is so beautiful. Like for those beautiful women that love the parts to no hair, this is a photo for you. If you're really looking for that inspirational idea, that kind of style you want that will turn eyes, you want that kind of style that is sex enough to take many years off your age. This is the kind of hair you really need to go for. You can see how she was looking before and the aftermath of the hair. You can see how it took many years off her face. So have this at the back of your mind that once we short hairstyling start, it takes many years, 20, 30 years of your age. And this style you can see they are beautiful. Yeah, that kind of style that will never even want to make you think of going back, to those braids or long hair. And there are so many ways for you to style your natural hair because these styles today, we all know how they really express your femininity. So I want you guys to also see the review of the second hair because this style today we are here to bring a kind of beautiful style that will make beautiful women out there look beautiful. Like for those women that want something manageable, those women that don't desire those voluminous hair and they really want something simple, something that is versatile. This is the kind of style to go for. Isn't this hair looking also beautiful? This is gorgeous. I will call this hair the Twinnie Winnie Afro because the Twinnie Winnie Afro is really something to go for if you really love short hair. And it is a smaller version of the typical Afro, but you can see this time around it is coiled. And this look for women that kind of style that maybe you don't want those much voluminous hair, you really want something that's simple and manageable. So cutting your hair is just one of the biggest decisions in your life. And fortunately now is that we have numerous styles to count on. Like we have styles like the Teeny Weeny Afro, we have styles like the Tapered, we have styles like the Boys Cut. The one you saw first was the Boys Cut, the second was Teeny Weeny Afro with boys. Then we also have the Pixies. The one you're about to watch now is the Pixie Cut. And we also have the finger waves, we have the finger the twist. We have so many styles. We have the bobs. There are so many styles if you really want that fresh start. And one thing with this style is that they will kind of give you that uniqueness you want. And one thing with the style also is that It's that kind of style that you really need to maintain by using the right products. I talked about the male kit, and I'm talking about the good product, which is the coils, also the dupes. It will also give you the defined coils which you want. So if you really want to break down fibers into your head, this beautiful haircut on your spray is the ideal haircut to really command that attention you want. So whether choosing a haircut with coils at the front or maintaining a sleek style, it always allows for that personalized and eye-catching expression. So with this in mind, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. You're not going to regret watching this video because I carefully selected this beautiful, full, sexy, really make you guys understand what it means to go for a super neat. God bless you guys. The first time subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. I appreciate you, and when I mean appreciate you, I really appreciate you watching. God bless you guys. Bye for now. Guys, this is my new look. Okay, so these are just the simple ways you can style your hair right in the house.